How to link Spotify account to TikTok. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. First thing first, head over to your application Spotify. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged into the account that you want to link, tap on your profile at the top left corner. Now head over to your profile. Tap on the share icon and then click on copy link. Once the link has been copied, now head over to your application TikTok. Enter your login credential and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Move into your profile at the bottom right corner. Tap on edit profile. So in this page, if your account is up to date, you should see the option where it says website. You need to click on it and then paste the link that you have just copied from Spotify. If not, you can simply add it on your bio, but the link will not be clickable. So make sure that you update the application TikTok and then after that paste the link that you have copied. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.